So ngayon naman, let's proceed with addition of fractions. Ito talaga yung dapat inabot natin na lesson ng Tuesday eh. So yeah, can I ask si Meg, can you read the problem?
From his house, Jasper drove 715 kilometers to the market and 415 kilometers from the market to the bake shop. He drove another 215 kilometers to his grandparents' house to give the fruits and cake that he bought. How far did he drive altogether?
Okay. So itong si Jasper, kung saan-saan pala nagda-drive to, no? Ang dami niyang drive. Pero fraction yung drive niya. So paano natin siya i-add? So this is exactly the same problem. Pero para ma-illustrate natin siya, sabihin natin na this is 1 kilometer. So i-divide natin to into, sabihin natin 15. Para kumbaga, this box represents mga 1 kilometer. Wow, ang bilis mo, Santi ah. Very well done. Ang bilis ah. Sige, I think that's correct. Pero pakita natin sa iba ha. So this represents ito 15. Diba ang isa nito 1 over 15. So nag-drive siya ng 7 over 15, di ba? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then nag-drive siya ng gaano kalayo pa? After 7:15? How farther did he drive? 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, how many more? 2. Yeah. Thank you, Santi. And 1, 2. So tama nga yung sagot ni Santi 13 out of 15. Ayan 13 out of 15. So that is the illustration ng pag-add ng fractions. So dito naman, paano actually ang bilis ni Santi eh. Very impressive, Santi. Eto, can you read this one, Nath?
Okay. To add similar fractions, add the numerator and copy the denominator.
Which one is the numerator again?
The one up above.
Yes, exactly. So if you add all the ones above, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, that's going to be 13. And then what do we do with the denominator? Do we also add the denominator?
Copy.
Yeah, exactly. You just copy it. 15. So, yun. Kaya yan yung sagot ni Santi. 13 over 15. Well done, Santi. Ang bilis Very impressive. Okay, next. Santi, do you have a microphone? Can you read this one? So Mrs. Alburo, maybe that's Mrs. Alburo right there. She bought 5/8 kilogram of pork, 2/3 kilogram of beef, and 7/12 kilogram of chicken. How many kilograms of meat did she buy in all? So paano naman ngayon? The numerators are different and also the denominators are different. Sige, let's try to illustrate it first. So suppose those squares dito, itong mga to, they represent a whole kilogram. Okay? So imagine nyo lang, that's 1 whole kilogram. So bumili siya ng 5/8 kilogram. So that's, 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 8. And this is 2 over 3. And this is 7 over 12 of chicken. Alright? So ngayon, para mas ma-imagine natin, paano natin i-add kasi to? Iba-iba yung shape. Ang hirap bilangin. So how are we gonna do that? Well, it's gonna be easier if we divide the whole thing into the same na division. Sabihin natin, imbis na over 8, over 3, over 12, alam ko na, gawin natin over 24 na lang lahat. Ayan naging over 24. Yes, in the chat. Did you find this? Yeah, I found it in a book. Does it look bad? Ayan. So,
Nope.
Do you have this book?
It looks similar to my old ones at school.
Oh, maybe it's the same publisher. Okay, so yun yung ginawa dito. They were divided into the same manner. Lahat sila divided into 24. So now we can add this much easier na. So piniliit ko lang yung picture. Okay. So if we're going to add lahat ng mga small squares na yan, I mean, you can try adding it if you like, pero parang medyo nakakapagod. Ang mangyayari dyan, 45 all in all. All this, you add this with this, you add them with that, you will get 45 over 24. 45 over 24. And then, ang ginawa niya lang, yung improper fraction, they turned it into a mixed fraction. Diba? Yung i-divide lang siya. 45 divided by 24. Yan lang yung ginawa So wag kayo magtataka no kung anong ginawa doon. They just divided it for 45 divided by 24. And then ito, they simplified it further into 7 over 8. Paano niya nagawang 7 over 8? They just divided it by 3. 21 divided by 3, maging 7. 24 divided by 3, maging 8. So this is the simplest answer. The simplest answer. Mrs. Alburo bought 1 and 7/8 kilogram of meat all in all. So that is an illustration of adding mga fractions na dissimilar fractions. Sige. Ito, another one. Si Adan, he helped his parents sell pork in the market. He sold 15 kilograms of pork in the morning and 7/3/4 kilogram in the afternoon. How many kilograms of pork did he sell the whole day? Ito, class, this is very easy. When you're adding whole numbers with fractions, it's like just adding whole numbers. If you're going to add those two, 15 plus 7/3/4, all you're going to add is the two whole numbers. So 15 plus 7, that's 15 plus 7, too much, Santi. It's just 22 lang. Whoops. Yeah, it's just 22. So 22, and then the fraction is unchanged. 22/3/4. Diba? Much easier. It's just like adding simple numbers only. Ito naman, a little more difficult. Every summer, Mario and his friends joined the recycling campaign in their subdivision. On a certain day, they were able to collect the following: 5 1/2 kilograms of newspapers, 3/4 kilogram of bottles, 12 1/3 kilogram of scrap metals. Sige, so i-add natin siya ha. So I'll add it here, 5 1/2, and then what else? 3/4, and 12 1/3. Okay. Ang first na gagawin natin, turn your mixed fractions into improper fractions first. Okay. How about this one? Can I ask si Santi? Can you turn this into an improper fraction? You can put it in the chat. 5 1/2. Ano yung improper fraction yan? 11. Yes, tama. So copy the denominator. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Plus 3/4. How about this one? Meg, can you turn this into an improper fraction? 3 times 12? Yes, 36 plus 1. So plus 1, that's 37. Well done. Okay. So ngayon, paano natin i-add yan? Iba-iba yung kanilang mga denominator. So kaya natin nahanapin ulit yung LCM. Yung LCM. Okay. So, alam niyo na kung paano i-calculate yung LCM? Kunin niyo yung multiples and observe niyo yung the smallest multiple that they have. Sige nga. Ito, Santi. Santi's found it. 12. 12 daw yung LCM. Tama ba? Can you confirm? Natalie, is that correct? 12 daw po ang LCM of 2, 4, and 3.
Yes, it's correct.
All right. Very good. Very good. Ang bilis mo na pala, Santi. Maybe you need something more challenging. We'll see. Sige, 12. And 12. And then 12. Okay. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Yes. So 6 times 11, that's 66. 12 divided by 4, that's 3 times 3, 9. I hope nakaka-follow kayo. All I'm doing is itong 12 divided by 3, ito. So 4 times 37. So yun, medyo malaki yun 37 times 4. I don't like big numbers that much. So the answer is 148. If you have calculators, you can check 148. So now we're going to add lahat ng mga numerators, di ba? To add similar fractions, add the numerators and copy the denominator. So this is 223. You can check that if you like. And then we're going to turn it into to a mixed fraction again because it's much better that way when we're going to answer the original question. So you can check that it's 18, 7, 12. How did I get this? We divided again 223 divided by 12. So that's 1, 12, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 103. Kaya siya 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry over 1. 8 times 1, 8. Diba? Minimultiply natin dito. So that's 96. Remainder of 7. So 18 to 12, this one, and then the remainder. Ito. I hope nakasunod kayo sa discussion. Kaya yung the total of the kilograms that they collected, ito yung original question. How many kilograms did they collect? So 18 kilograms and 18 and 712 kilograms in total. Okay, sige kayo naman. Let's have a drill. So there are 4 items here. So sagutan po natin siyang lahat.
Wait, I'll get paper.
Okay. Joy, I will assign you to answer number 1. Mamaya, I will ask you what the answer is for this. And then Nath, I will give you number 2. Santi, I will give you number 3. And Meg, I'll give you number 4. If you're done, please click the raise hand reaction para I can see. Santi, are you done? You seem to be the fastest. Wala pang tapos? If you're still answering, can you react with a thumbs up in the reactions? Okay, thank you, Santi. How about the others? Joy, Jel, Natalie, and Meg? There you go. Thank you, Natalie. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So I wonder. So, sige, Joy, what's your answer for number 1? Hello, Joy. I hope you will respond to me. No, hi. High is not what I was looking for. I asked you anong answer mo for number 1. Joy, if you don't have any answer, please tell me. So that we're not waiting lang. Joy, do you have an answer or not? Okay, thank you for being honest, Joy. At least tell me if you don't have an answer para we can move on. Okay? Sige. Natalie, do you have an answer for number 2? Ah, not yet. Ah, okay. Is it hard? Mahirap pala. Ikaw, Santi, do you have an answer for number 3? Mahirap pala. Ah, mahirap ba yung numbers? Okay. Okay. How about Meg? Do you have an answer for number 4? I see. Okay. Sige, I'll show you, Santi, how to do it. 55 ang sagot for number 4. Okay. That's correct. That is correct. Thank you, Meg. For number 1, as you can see, pareho yung denominators nila, right? So that means they are similar fractions. So just add the numerators and copy the denominator. 6 plus 10, 16. Okay? As for ito sa'yo, Natalie, if you're having a hard time, tapakita ko sa'yo. Since they are dissimilar fractions, we're looking for the LCM. Tingnan natin yung multiples ng 21 and 7. Actually, 21 ang susunod dyan is times 2 natin, 42. Si 7 naman, 7, 14, 21. Ayun! There it is. Ayun yung LCM nila, 21 and 21. Can you see it, Natalie?
Yes.
Okay, so it's 21. Sige. So 16 over 21. And then let's convert this one. 21. 21 divided by 7, Nath. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. Kasi tinan mo, 1, 2, and 3. Diba? Is the third. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. Also because 7 times 3 is 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3 times 5. 3 times 5, 15. Yes. Tama. Tama. And then 16 plus 15 is 31. Actually, you can finish with your answer dito na improper fraction. Pwede na to. I will check this already. But if you change it to mixed fraction, okay lang din. No problem. So 1, 10 over 21. So that is the correct answer. All right? Sige. Let's go for number 3 naman, Santi. Mahirap pala to, Santi, nabigay ko sa'yo. Yeah, mahirap yung nabigay ko sa'yo. I think their LCM is 182. I'm sorry about that, Santi. I didn't check this number. Ang laki. Masyadong malaki. It's actually quite difficult. So anyway, this is how it is. So if we keep on doing yung LCM, we're gonna reach 182. Sorry, Santi, for that. It's not your fault. It's a little quite difficult nga naman. So and then 182 divided by 14, that's 13. 13 times 13, 169. Ah, laki ng number. Ang laki. It's too large. So 169 plus 42, 211. So the answer, oh man, nasikip. Nakikita niyo pa ba? 211. Nasikip. 182. Ayan. Okay, but thank you for your effort. I hope we can continue.